Do you guys want to hear some crazy problems that I got going on in my life right now? Because this is bad. I'm sick, as you can tell, which is a problem because I'm sick and I can't do anything. And I feel lazy when I don't do anything. I got frisbee ball. That's not a problem. That's a good thing. My car goes into the shop. I'm supposed to drive somewhere day after tomorrow, and my car goes into the shop tomorrow. So I'm screwed if they don't get it done in a day. And then the other thing that goes along with this sick, I have championship swim in like a week and a half. Are you telling me I'm supposed to be practicing right now? I've missed how many practices? 3 practices already. I'm missing lift tomorrow morning. We'll see if I can even go to practice in the afternoon. My cough, I'm feeling a little bit better, but it's not good. And I've missed classes for the last 2 days. So, help. Someone send help.